English job phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about jobs and professions, useful phrases you can use to describe people and what they do. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me. Practice step by step and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. A day in Sunnytown. It's a bright morning in Sunnytown. Tom walks down the street and sees many people working hard. First, he sees his teacher. "Good morning," Tom says. His teacher smiles and waves. "Hello, Tom. My teacher is kind." Tom continues walking and says proudly, "I'm a student, and today I will study hard." At the clinic, he sees a doctor. The nurse says, "Don't disturb him. The doctor's busy." Tom nods quietly. He walks further and sees another nurse helping an old woman. "Wow, a nurse helps patients every day," Tom whispers. At the construction site, Tom sees a man checking blueprints. "That's an engineer. An engineer designs buildings," Tom says confidently. A bus passes by slowly. The driver waves. "Good morning." Tom waves back. "The driver is careful." Next, Tom reaches the rice fields. A farmer smiles at him. Tom says, "The farmer grows rice for the whole town." Then he hears a whistle. A police officer is helping children cross the road. Tom says, "The police officer helps people stay safe." At lunchtime, he stops by a small restaurant. Inside, he sees a cook preparing food. "The cook is in the kitchen," Tom says, smelling delicious soup. Finally, he buys a snack from a small shop. "Here you go." The seller smiles. Tom says, "The seller is friendly." Tom goes home happy, thinking, Sunnytown is full of wonderful people. Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, A Day in Sunnytown. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Tom walks in Sunnytown. Who is walking? Tom, what town is it? Sunnytown. What kind of morning is it? A bright morning. He sees his teacher. What does Tom say about his teacher? My teacher is kind. Does the teacher smile? Yes. Is the teacher angry? Number Tom says, I'm a student. What is Tom? A student. Does he study? Yes. Will he study hard today? Yes, he goes to the clinic. Who is busy? The doctor. Does the nurse warn Tom? Yes, not to disturb him. Is the doctor sleeping? Number A, nurse helps someone. Who does the nurse help? Patients. Does she help dogs? Number, is she helping an old woman? Yes, Tom sees an engineer. What does an engineer do? Designs buildings. Is he designing food? Number, where is the engineer working? At a construction site. A driver passes by. Who is careful? The driver. Is the driver on a bus? Yes. Does the driver drive fast? No, carefully. Tom meets a farmer. What does the farmer grow? Rice. Does he grow chocolate? Number. Does Tom like the farmer? Yes. A police officer is working. What does the police officer do? Helps people stay safe. Is he helping children cross the road? Yes. Is the officer cooking? No. Then Tom sees a cook. Where is the cook? In the kitchen. What is he preparing? Food, soup. Does Tom smell delicious soup? Yes. Finally, finally, he meets a seller. What does Tom say about the seller? The seller is friendly. Does the seller give him a snack? Yes. Is the seller rude? Number. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about jobs and professions. Today, you practiced phrases like, My teacher is kind. I'm a student. The doctor is busy. A nurse helps patients. An engineer designs. The farmer grows rice. The driver is careful. The police officer helps. The cook is in the kitchen. And the seller is friendly. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.